Hello everybody! Welcome back to my vlog. So, it's me. Tingnan nyo naman itsura ko guys. Wala ako sa ayos kasi since nung weekend, super masama yung pakiramdam ko. Tapos dumagdag pa doon, sobrang lamig. Tapos nahawa na ako kay Francine. Tapos I hope Francine is doing better now. But me, I'm not doing good. Andito lang ako sa kama, hindi ako nakapag-work. Feeling ko, palagi ako nilalamig. And, yun, nahihirapan ako huminga and everything. Yeah. But, I hope you have a great week. And, I'm gonna see you again tomorrow on my next vlog. And I hope I can film na normally. Ayun na nga, I was at my checkup today. So, today, Wednesday pa rin. And, came home. Okay naman lahat. Para dito, come back tomorrow. At yun, nananabanan naman ako guys kasi gawa din ng gamot na ini-intake ko. That's why. But all in all, okay naman lahat. So, yeah. Happy Thursday everyone! Flowers na naman. Nakabili na tayo ng rose. Di pala rose, flower. So, bumili na lang akong Dunkin Donut. Parang happy birthday kay mama. Kasi nag-birthday siya. Eh, ito. And yung pang adobo. Ayun, punta na tayo dun. Si mama. Ayun, si Ru. Ano na raw? Ba't na tinuhubad yung damit mo? Ganda-ganda ng damit mo eh.
Dalawa kanya natin.
Welcome back!
Thank you! Ito na! Medyo umitin.
How was your holiday mission?
Nice naman.
Nice. Aalis na ulit siya. Oo.
Mission impossible.
Hindi siya nag-stay. Aalis na naman siya. Doon na tayo. Adobo naman. And patatas. Ito na ako ng adobo. Andito na si mama. Oh, ayun oh. Ruri! Ruru! Look at Ruru. May damit si Ruru. Oh. Jesus! Andyan na ang nanay. Jesus! Pili daw tayo dito. Ano to? Lip. Mga kulay. Anong kulay yan? Pwede siyang tingnan sa loob?
Oo, pwede mo tingnan po. Kaysa yung isa kay Alice.
Pili tayo. Pili tayo ng kulay. So, this is Glide Gloss Plumbing. Gloss pala siya, gloss. Tarte. Wala ako bibing pagkain. Itlog yun na amay mo. Yan. This is... Ay, hindi pala siya pwedeng ilabas. After ng ano nga, work. Alas 5 daw sila. Hindi siya pwedeng buksan. Yan.
Sino?
Si Arens.
Pumunta?
Hindi siya pwedeng buksan.
Kasi pag hindi nila makukuha agad kung pasalubong.
Ito naman, Fluffy Balm. Sunny's Face. Sunny's Face pala. Perfect nude. Perfect nude siya. Perfect nude naman ito. Feeling ko hindi ko din ito mabubuksan kasi nakaseal siya. Ay, hindi siya nakaseal ito. Ganyan tsura niyan. Yan. Ay, ba't ganun ang kulay? Dark. It's brown. Oh my gosh, it's brown. Why is this brown?
What do you want?
This is brown. Ito
brown?
gloss yata. Hindi siya mabubuksan eh. Ito naman. Ano ba ito? Ay! Sakura. Brown siya. Brown din siya. Ruru. Kasi slows. Yun. Anong gusto? Which one to take? I don't know. Tarte or Sakura or Perfect Nude?
Kasi ako kailangan ko din ng...
Uri!
Ano gusto?
Lip gloss.
Ano gusto ng baby? Di ba masip sa'yo? Hindi naman. Tama lang. Tara, bababa na tayo ha. Wait lang.
Ito na lang para surprise. Ito na lang kukunin ko. Tarte. Para kay Ate Ares at kay Ate Dax. Ang Perfect Mood at Sakura. Yan. Tarte na lang itong kukunin ko. Rory! What's wrong? Tadada! Pang iniikot mo siya parang telescope. Tingnan natin siya. Ma'am, glossy. Glossy siya. Hala, hindi ko na maibalik.
Basis.
Meron siya doon, may
Kakain mo na.
pagka-mentol.
Hindi ka pa kumakain, sandali.
Yan pagkain. Nagagasi kasama si Mama. Hindi ko lang alam kung saan sila pumunta. I don't know where they went. Ayan, sobrang hangin today. Baka masira tong plant, sayang. Sobrang windy. Yan. Guys, maganda dito sa parks ng mga bahay-bahay. Pwede ka dyan mag-aerobic, gym. Tapos dito pwede ka maglaro ng ludo. Ayan. And then on the other side, you can play chess. So habang nasa labas ka, pwede ka mag-exercise din. Yan. Santa Claus! Santa Claus!
Moby! Childhood. That is childhood.
Ho, 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 ho! Thank you! Ay, kanino ba? Thank you! Chicken to, di ba?
Yeah, man. Chicken? That's so
April dust to. Masarap to. Iyaya. Akin na.
Lagyan nyo lang siya dyan. Hindi kayo, kumain kayo din.
At itapin mo muna lahat ng mga ano doon. Kain ng chicken. At chicken.
Yaya.
Ube biyaya. Kain na, Rory. Arigo. This is my food. You want my food? No, that's not allowed. Ito po ang aming bagong nakuha, Yaya.
Ayun.
Joke.
Bayad naman yan.
Ay, iba pala. Kasambahay po, kasambahay ni Mama. Magkano po ang rate niyo, Ma'am?
50 per hour.
Grabe naman, Ma'am. Hindi na kayo kasambahay.
Mayaman si Mama.
Parang may piniprito siya sa bibig. Kay Francine po kasi yun eh. Nag-i-enjoy po siyang kainin. Pinagbubuksan lahat ng pasalubong ng lola niya. Tapos sabi sa akin, Mama, wala akong tenure. Hi day everyone. Gulo ng buhok natin. Nandito kami ni Ru. Hey Ru. Ano yan? Ano yan? Ay, wait lang po. Ito po ako ngayon kay Ruru again. At mamaya po. Ano ba ako ang people dito? Mamaya po, meron kaming ni Francine. Halloween trick or treat. Kaya makikita nyo kami mamaya. Today is the 31st of October. Last day na po ng month. November na po next month. Tomorrow actually. Una na bukas at birthday ni Tita Lita. Yun lang po agenda namin for today. At bukas naman is Sabado, may iba pa kaming lakad. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye!
Guys, muna tayo ng hinugasan kahapon Ate Ares. Ayan. Sabay na din na guys. Guys, muna tayo ng hinugasan.
Happy Thursday! Malulog na kami ng last day mo. everyone! Happy Wednesday! So, tomorrow is Thursday na. Ilang araw na ako nasa bahay. Lumalabas lang ako pag wino-walk si Ru sa labas or ang tawag dyan? Kailangan ng fresh air. But most of the time, I'm always at home. And malamig din yung panahon. Hindi ko alam kung umuulan ba or anything. But, syempre, kailangan natin ilabas si Ru. At late na naman yung pag-upload ng weekly vlog since hindi nga maganda yung pakiramdam ko. Yeah. And tomorrow is Thursday. Mas marami kayo makikita tomorrow kasi darating na sila mama. Meron tayong Philippines haul for sure. And on Friday is Halloween. Magti-trick or treat kami ni Francine and hope maging okay na ako talaga nun so I can work on Monday na. And birthday ni Tita Lita on Saturday the 1st. Ondas yun. Malapit na December, guys. Oh my gosh, yun. So, nanonood muna ako ng Anakay na vlog. And, yeah, I'm gonna see you again tomorrow, hopefully. Bye-bye. God bless. Guys, marami akong wig dito sa bahay. Kasi nga, diba, nagko-cosplay din ako minsan. Very minsan. So, ito yung first one. Then, I have here few more. Pakita ko sa inyo. Wait. Ayan siya. One. Ito pinaka-shortest. Tapos, yan lahat mahaba. Yan may curls, waves. And lahat yan merong hair cap. Wig cap. So, tingnan natin kung anong babagay ngayon sa attire na susuot ko for Halloween. Actually, sasabayan ko lang si Francine kasi siya yung talaga mag-trick or treat. But, yeah, let's see. Nag-makeup kay Francine. You'll be a
school zombie.
Kailangan mo na mash eh. Our fit. Francine is a school zombie.
I like it. I love it.
And me, I'm a witch.
A witch with glasses.
A witch with glasses. Yes. And my wig. See you later. Trick or treat. Oh, go with them. Go with them. Ang cute ng mga decorations sila sa bahay, guys. Langsam.
Was steht da?
Danke.
Leute fahren.
Schnell.
Ich kann nicht mehr laufen. Na dann, viel Spaß.
Komm,
Mira, jetzt ist er nicht.
Ja, Hexenkessel.
Go. Francine, komm.
Aber die Tiere schicken. Vorsicht auf die Kürbisse!
Okay, we're gonna end our vlog for this beautiful and cool night.
Yes.
First time namin mag trick or treat kasama yung mga kaklase ni Francine.
Diese non-ehelichen Klasse.
Yeah, saka yung mga sisters ng kaklase niya at mga parents, mga Austrian silang lahat. Kaya iba yung ano namin and tradition nila every year maganyan, kaya sinama nila kami for this year na normally dapat kasama nga si Isabel. sa mga Filipino sa Seestad.
Yeah.
But next time, sana next
But
year.
Isabel had to be Sita.
Yes.
Advice from Dad.
So what do you say? See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Morning everyone. Happy 1st of November. Happy blessed Saturday din sa inyo. Kung makikita nyo, mapapansin nyo, mugto yung mata ko. Sobrang swollen siya. Bakit? Kasi kahapon nanood kami ni Francine ng movie. And yung movie to is sobrang nakakaiyak. Hindi ko alam kung may iyak kayo. But dahil siguro nakaka-relate kami ni Francine, ako, sobrang dami kong iyak dito. You should watch it. It's very recommendable. Mas marami pa ako naiyak dito kaysa dun sa lasting moments ni Zora Ramirez at saka ni JM De Guzman. Papakita ko sa inyo dito yung movie niya. Nasa Netflix yan, guys, bagong labas, and worth watching siya. I mean, para sa akin, hindi naman siguro para yan sa lahat, but it's a very emotional story and a beautiful one. So check yun dyan. And kahapon sobrang pagod na din namin gawa ng trick or treat, but it was a fun adventure. First time namin sumama dun sa kaklase niya, mga puti sila, taga dito sa Vienna, and every year nilang ginagawa yung ganong routine. Pero syempre every year lumalaki yung mga bata, so maganda din siyang memories. So I'm blessed na nakilala siya ni Francine, kaklase niya yung bata, tapos nag-uusap na din kami ng mami ng bata, private, outside ng school. And nakapunta na din si Francine, hindi pala, nakapunta na yung bata sa bahay. Naglaro na din sila doon. And yeah, it was a nice experience. Makikita niyo yan dito. I think nakita niyo siya dito sa pinost ko sa mga slides. Sobrang dami, kaya medyo mahaba tong weekly vlog na to kasi gawa nung Halloween trick or treat. And thank you din pala kay Ate Hana kasi inayusan niya si Francine ng mabilisang makeup look dun sa zombie schoolgirl na atay niya. Yun. It was very cold nung gabi na, nung pauwi na kami, tapos pagod na yung mga bata kasi ang dami na nakuha nila. Tapos si Francine nakakuha siya ng whole basket niya ng pumpkin. Almost puno yun. And yun, today's Saturday agenda is mag-grocery lang kami ng konti ni Francine sa bahay kasi dito kami matutulog kay Ru ulit ngayong gabi. Tapos tomorrow is Sunday na. I will go siguro with her to church, Sunday service, and then mag-aayos sa bahay kasi sa Monday may work na ako ulit, tapos si Francine may school na ulit after 1 week ng vacation holiday kasi today is All Saints Day, tapos bukas All Souls Day, diba? Sunday. And baka pala dalawin din namin either today or tomorrow ang inay, para lang mag-remember din sa kanya. Dalan siya ng maliit na flower. Yun, baka ganyan yung gawin namin. So yun lang yung plans, nothing special. And then yun lang, I will update you again later. Have a best one. Bye-bye. Hindi naman, hindi ko papansinin yan. Nanonood kasi kami ng vlog.
Ooh, what do you want? Tell me what you want so we can get it for you. You don't want anything, then you don't want it.
She knows that I'm filming. What do you want, Rory Bear? Si Rory na yan talaga. So, lagi pinapansin siya. Nanonood tayo ng vlog mo, oh.
Lagi ko yung dala kahit saan ako mapunta. Maganda siya. Mag-aang lang siya tapos.
Ayaw mo naman pumunta dito. Come here.
What
Dali.
do you want?
Come. Hihimasin natin yung ano mo, tummy mo. Come. Come here.
Or we will just go to you.
Oh, good girl. Come here.
Come here.
Come here, Rory. Yeah.
Yeah,
Good girl. Come here. Yeah.
Can I go?
Yeah. Ito lang pala yan, hug-hug yan. Oo.
You just want to hug Ruru, but you're
Ito
scared.
lang yan, hug-hug.
Just
Nagdadrama pa ikaw doon. Dito mo pa natawagin ka ng 10 beses. Sit, baby. Sit down.
yeah.
Good girl.
Good baby. For me, she's my baby. Sit. 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 Oh, good girl.
Good girl, si
Good
Roro.
girl.
Yeah, good girl.
She's a cute girl.
Tat.
What do you want?
Ate Francine, oh.
She just wants to scratch.
Francine.
She just wants to scratch.
Yeah,
All she wants is a scratch.
scratchy.
A scratch in her thing. I don't know how you call that.
Baby yan eh. Baby. Baby Ruru. Baby?
You look at. You want that? You want that? You want that? You want that?
Mata na naman ikaw, oh.
Every time, but the butter doesn't come off for some reason.
Dug. Pow. Give me pow. Pow.
No, you gotta
Oh,
say give.
Fote.
Fote.
Good girl. Other fote. Other one. The other fote. Andere fote. Andere fote. Andere fote.
She wants
Andere fote. Diese fote.
another fote, Roro.
Nicht diese. Andere.
Does it not hurt if he touches you like that?
Yeah, baby. What do you want from me? I'm just
Oh, you
here.
want a scratch.
Scratchy. Why you call it scratch?
Because she wants you like this. You're almost sleeping like that.
Yeah. She's looking for leaves and then we're gonna do something later. And foul.
Wow.
E. N.
And?
Kannst du schon langsam? Langsam, Ru. Slowly. Slowly. Oopsie. Morning Sunday. Have a blessed one. Mag-prepare muna ako ng breakfast ni Ru. Tapos igagasi ko siya. And then mag-breakfast na sa mga bata. Mag-prepare na din ako mag-pancake ako. And dinala ko tong ube flavor. Tatry ko siya ngayon sa pancake na bigay ni Mama. Yeah. So I'm gonna see you later kasi magsa-Sunday service kami ng mga bata. Kasama ko si Ate Hannah at si Ate Francine. And si Ate Kirsten pupunta din doon daw. Kaya I'll see you later. Kasi? Yeah. Let us go. Say good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. Say happy Sunday. Speak. Hurry. Happy Sunday. Speak. Yes, good morning. Say happy blessed Sunday, everybody. Achoo. So tight. Yeah, you excited now. Good girl, Rudy. Good girl. Bilis, oh. Buti na lang mahaba yung leash mo. You're always on hurry. Always on hurry, my love. Ah.
It's like ube.
Really?
Yeah.
And try the Milo? Because Francine is drinking Milo for the first time.
Never ever. I didn't even drink that since Philippines.
Really?
Not
I love
even.
Milo or Chucky.
That's hot.
Yeah.
I want to eat it. I don't want to drink it. Good.
It's good. Milo is good. It's my favorite. And Chucky also. How's the egg?
The egg is good.
Yeah.
This one, I like it. This one.
Use your knife, please. Thank
This
you.
is good.
Francine is trying Star Margarine for the first time.
There's a soap for that.
A soap? It's not a soap, anak.
Well, there's soap,
butter.
butter soap. I saw it.
Oh, try mo na. Go. Cut it. And use your fork.
Wait, I need to smear it.
Take your knife and fork together, please. Is it a triangle?
Yes. Hot triangle. I always put it
Baka
here.
mahulog yung butter. Langsam.
I try. I never try.
How does it taste?
No. Mitten.
What's the flavor? I mean, how does it taste?
Ube with cheese.
Cheese? Why cheese? That's not cheese, anak. That's butter. Is it sweet or is it salty?
Salty.
Really?
Butter.
Yeah, the butter is salty. Hana, wala pa. Ang tagal. Ako tapos na ako dito. It's Francine, almost. And she has a new toy. Anong new toy mo yan?
Mochichi.
Mochichi.
No.
Rudy? Yeah. That's Rudy. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it. Akin na si Rudy. Akin na. Akin na. Akin na. And then? And then, oh wait for Rudy. Stand up! Get it! Oh. Get Rudy. Good girl! Good. Oh, tumatunog si Rudy.
So loud kanina.
Rudy the reindeer.
Ruru. Hana.
Ate Hana.
Hana doesn't want to wake up.
She is awake.
No way.
I think she will come when we are getting ready na. Kero?
Hi.
So where are you going now?
Church.
We go to Sunday service, meet Tita Dax, and Ate Kirsten and Kuya Anthony. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yes?
Nervous.
Why? Why are you nervous?
I don't have no clue.
Because you not used to go with me on Sunday service, right? Because you're most of the time with Daddy on the weekends. Correct or incorrect?
Correct.
Okay, so what do you want to say to them?
See you later.
Du kannst das. Integrier dich in der Church, gib Jesus mehr Raum, wachse in deiner Identität. Und du wirst sehen, dein Leben wird Früchte tragen. Das Problem ist nur bei Früchten, die sind nie für den Baum bestimmt. Die sind für andere bestimmt. Okay? Und letztens hat mich ein Freund angerufen und ich will mit der Story jetzt auch abschließen. Und er hat mir erzählt, dass sein kleiner Sohn an einer Autoimmunerkrankung leidet. Dass die Ärzte ihm nicht viel Hoffnung geben. Der Kleine ist 1,5 Jahre alt. Und dass er mindestens schwerhörig wird sein. Mindestens. Das ist das, was die Ärzte mir ausgesprochen haben. Unterschätze nicht, was du tun kannst. Okay? Und vor kurzem rief er mich an und sagte, dass die Ärzte ratlos sind. Denn alle Werte nicht. Der Kleine wird zu meine ist wieder in Jesus kommen. Und es läuft völlig unerwartet auf eine Heilung hinaus. Völlig unerwartet. Das sind die Früchte, Leute, die wir wirklich brauchen. Unsere Leben sind dazu bestimmt, anderes zu erreichen. Amen. In welcher Form auch immer. In welcher Form auch immer. Und so möchte ich dich abschließend fragen, welche Kirche siehst du?
That's Orchid, Francine. Let me see which one. Hello.
Let's open this.
Tsaka si Francine.
Francine, stimmt, du warst auch lange nicht da, oder?
It's the first time.
So, first time. Ich war schon in einer anderen.
Yeah, andere, but not here at Lola's.
Nein, noch nicht. Ach so, na schön.
Any help?
Da, im Eck.
Done.
Nein.
Say hi kay Lola.
Wait, I need to see this.
Oh ja, kita ba to?
Ja, am Abend sieht man das sicher. Hi guys!
Hi guys.
We are waiting for Ate Dax. Tita Dax.
Tante Dax.
Tante Dax because she went to the toilet. And we were we had late lunch with Tante Dax and Ninong Cleon. And it was very good. So thank you very much again for the treat. You say?
What? I'm gonna start doing a video tomorrow.
Sorry?
I'll start doing a video tomorrow.
Huh?
I'll start doing a video tomorrow.
Doing what?
I'll start doing a video tomorrow.
Are we still what? I'm sorry, wait.
Are we still doing a video tomorrow?
Tomorrow? Tomorrow is Monday, yeah. We are doing every week. So we are at week 7 na today. And today is Sunday. Week 7 na tayo, Francine. We had already 1 month for vlogging. Now we're week 7. Almost 2 months we do weekly vlog. Ayun lang po.
I think we're gonna stop until I'm 11.
I'm gonna stop? No, I don't think about doing stopping.
You gotta stop.
Why do I need to stop? It's fine. It makes me happy. It makes me happy when I do videos. Yeah.
So?
And it's a memory for me and for you, so I can see you grow every year or how the changes
And
are
I'm
every
already
month.
8.
Yeah.
I'm still 8.
Look at my hair. It's so messy.
She has a people hideout in her hair.
Yeah, I have here my pimple and it's a flower smiley.
Can't really see that.
Yeah. And we are excited because next week is a very special day for my sister and her future husband. You will get married. You don't know it? On the 11th, on your monthsary.
The monthly ended.
Yeah. Anyways, we are going to end this vlog na for this week 7. Happy blessed Sunday. All Souls Day is today. And I hope you enjoyed this week of watching. And what do you say?
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to
Like, comment, share, and
subscribe. Don't forget to shine and
Shine
always be positive.
positive.
Bye-bye. God bless.